It's a matter of pride for the state of Andhra Pradesh, and the program that is launched under the name Me Seva, taking the government to the doorstep of the citizens, and it's recognized all over the world. And in the country, the state has been awarded the best e-governance state. The award, the recognition, whatever it is, this in less than 2.5 years' time, we have almost achieved 40 million services to the people, the government services were hand over within the required time period. As a matter of fact, the delay in some services, overall this thing is not even 0.25%. That means 99.75% of the services were handed over or given to the people on time with the prescribed time for various services. So this eliminates transportation, this eliminates a lot of other obstructions and the hassle free, and of course reducing the corruption levels. As a matter of fact, in the process of eliminating corrupt free government services, so this goes a long way, as a matter of fact. So today we launched it. In addition to that, the state is number one in terms of governance as far as video conferencing system into the remote mandal areas also, so that the government can decide then and there by talking and interacting with the officials at the remote areas. These two initiatives today we have launched some portals for education and training of these things, and in the process we have created about 12,000 employment in these service providing. This also is getting integrated with the banking services, and Aadhaar also is part of this. As of now is about 250 services. In the next few months it will go up to 390 services, so thereby increasing the scope of the BSEVA, and overall about 7,000 centers are working at present, and we would like to increase it to 10,000 so that it will be much closer to the people in the remote areas also.